the customer functions for the Amazon storefront database. So starting with the SQL, so using MySQL to create the database in the background, there is a script here which creates the database. So if I run that, we get a database with the different columns that we need for each of the products, ranging from an ID, a product name, department name, a price, and the quantity that's in stock. So if I then add some seed data to that database, so we've got 10 items here. So this is the test data that we're going to use. When it starts, each of the items has 10 quantities in stock. So moving on to the command line, if we start up the storefront, so the first thing is just a prompt to welcome the user to Amazon and ask if they would like to place an order. If we say no, we don't want to place an order, then we just get a thank you message and back to the command line. If we start again and say yes, we would like to place an order, then we get a connection to the database and we get the inventory that's currently available from the SQL database. The first question is to enter the ID of the product that we'd like to purchase. So if we don't enter anything here, just press enter and enter again. We'll get a message, sorry, that product doesn't exist. It shows the current order, which is blank, and asks if we'd like to add to the order. So if I hit yes, so if I enter a product that doesn't exist, so for instance, if I add product number, ID number 11, and I want 3 of those, then again we get a message that says that product ID doesn't exist and the current order is still blank. So now again we are asked if we'd like to add to the order. So if I say yes, I'd like to order some Tickle Me Elmos, so that's product number 1. I'd like to order 5 of those. So now we get an order shown, item 1, Tickle Me Elmo from the toy department, $29.99 each, ordering 5 of them, so that's a subtotal of $149.95, and the total order is also $149.95. So now again, if I say I'd like to add to the order, so say I want to order some GoPros, so that's item number 3. I'd like to order 5 of those. Then it gets added to the order. So item 3, GoPro, $99.99 each, 5 of them. So a subtotal of $499.95. And now we've got a total order here as well. So again, if I say I'd like to add to the order, now I'm going to try ordering a larger quantity than there is in stock. So if I want to order, say, some headphones, so that's item number 5, and I try and order 11 of them, then I'll get a message saying, sorry, there is not enough stock to complete your order. It shows again what the current order is, and then asks if I'd like to add to the order. So I still want headphones, but I'm only going to order as many as they have in stock. So yes, headphones, item number 5, but I'd like to order 10 of them. So there we go. It says yes, I can. So if that's my complete order now, if I'd like to add to my order, I say no now. Then I get a message saying thank you, and go back to the command line. So that's the full customer functions. What's happened in the background in the database, if I go back to MySQL, so I refresh the database view, so we can now see that I ordered 5 Tickle Me Elmos, so the quantity's gone down to 5. I ordered 5 GoPros, the quantity's gone down to 5. I ordered 10 sets of headphones, so that quantity's gone down to 0.